Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. I hope you guys are having a fabulous week. Today, this is the first freebie of the 2025. Are you excited? I am. I got so many ideas wrote down, and I'm going to show you my planner because I don't want to spoil your surprise. But all the freebies I have designed for the next couple of months are honestly. Today is this one. It is a collection of collages of London. So don't know if you guys ever been to London. I used to live in London for about 7-8 years. Then I met Jamie, and he's from Sheffield, so we decided to leave London and moved up here in Sheffield. So Sheffield is there, London is like there, so we're on a really far northeast. But I love London. It gave me so many opportunity. It gave me lots of experience, both for professional and personal as well. So yeah, it's a city that has a special place in my heart. And London is a city that is full of Victorian houses, telephone boxes, two deck buses. You've got the London Bridge, the colourful houses in Notting Hill. So it's a very, very beautiful city, and I thought it needed to be celebrated with one freebie. Now, just to give you a little hint, this month for January, all the other 3 freebies will be dedicated to another city, but I'm not going to say anything anymore. Don't want to spoil your surprise. So this kit, this page here, has been designed using some element of my Memories from England digital pack. I'm going to do a journal with a travel journal. I think it's going to be very thick because I've got lots of digital papers that I have designed from different cities in the world. So I thought I'm going to put them all together in a very big journal, and we're just going to play with it. So the Memories from England is available on my website if you guys want to purchase it, and it's a collection of background and embellishment. I'm just going to give you a quick flick through. So you've got the Big Ben and sunflower. You know me, I'm obsessed with flowers. I don't need to tell you that. We got the St Paul Cathedral. I've got some tags using your traditional London or British, if you want to say. There is a London Eye, there is the tube, the British flag, the buses, of course, the teacups, the mugs, the little guard, etc. So it's just a celebration of this beautiful country. And there is some pictures of the Queen, some old newspaper that I scanned and, of course, put some flowers in it, some more traditional ephemera. Again, these are from some newspapers that I have found in my stash. This, I made it. As you guys know, the Queen had lots of corgis, and I wanted to, kind of like put it all together and celebrate it. So you've got the 4 different postcards. I think they're super cute, super cute. I'm mad with myself because I put some water in here and it's all crackled, but I'm sure I can save it. There is a Big Ben and the guard and some flowers in it. And last but not least, you get a pillow box. So if you do some little gift, and also an envelope, you can use it as an envelope or a little ephemera in your journal. So this is the freebie that you're gonna get today. As usual, guys, 2 ways to download my freebies. Join my newsletter, and I will put the newsletter here on the screen so you can see what it looks like. The newsletter is a free email, completely free. I send every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. It has the video recap of the week in case you guys have missed any. There's a paper showcase of the week. There is also always a cheeky discount code for you guys to treat yourself. And there is always a freebie attached. By the time you watch this video, the newsletter will already been sent out. So all my freebies are available. There is like an archive, a very big collection on my Facebook group. All the links are listed down below. So okay guys, so this is my Facebook group, Antonio Makes. This is the banner of the group, so you make sure it's me. So on my Facebook group, you see the freebie I shared, and also all other talented crafters that showcase their work using my papers, but not necessarily. They use their own papers as well. lovely messages, project shares, my videos, etc, etc. So as you can see, it's a very interactive platform. You can either click on recent media and then you will see everything that is being shared. To find my freebie, if you click on files, you see here, this is the recent one, which is the 5th of July, but you will see everything I have shared on here. Okay, so this is all the freebies, literally going back to the Christmas ones, etc, etc, etc. So please go help yourself. What you do, so this is the name of the freebie. If you click on the 3 dots, you click on download, and the PDF will be downloaded into your computer or iPad, whatever you're using. Okay, have fun and happy crafting. So once you join, I think there's about 300 freebies now. So, and also if you, in case you guys have missed my advent calendar freebies, the 25 freebies, they're all in there. So again, all the links are listed down below. Guys, if you make any project with this page, share on my Facebook group, because I really want to see what you're going to make with this. So I'm really, really curious. Guys, if you like my freebies, please consider giving this video a big thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube. As you guys know, the YouTube algorithm is going worst, especially for smaller channels like myself. So I really appreciate if you interact with this video, just simply like or leave a comment, anything is really, really helpful. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a wonderful weekend, and until next Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.